My name is Mark Langley. I'm one of the founders of DeTech, and I wanted to take a moment to share with you some telemetry from our dashboard for our solution. DeTech has patented a solution that offers features and functions. Our system just updated there. Features and functions that you'll not find anywhere else, and thus the patent. We have the ability to monitor 3 different temperatures: outside ambient temperature, tank temperature, and then cryogenic temperature if you want to monitor cryogenic. We monitor the battery, the weight, and the fill mode. So I'm going to turn off a couple of these telemetry points because I want to drill down in a little bit here and focus on these 3 telemetry points right here. So the black line that you're seeing here is our fill modes, and you see how the weight correlates to the fill mode. Whenever the fill mode starts, we have an increase of weight as long as we're adding liquid nitrogen. No other solution in the market offers this level of visibility into your tanks. And then we have the surface temperature of the tank. And you're probably asking, why isn't the surface temperature plunging when we're adding liquid nitrogen? Well, because we're not using liquid nitrogen, we're using water as a test. And we want to take you into it. Let me get a little more granular. I'm going to go into the next hour. Again, I'm going to shut off the weight. You can see the spike right there in the fill mode, which started at 314. And then right after the fill mode started, you're going to see we started adding weight. Our telemetry is reporting on an average of every 3 to 5 seconds, almost real time, the liquid nitrogen being added, in this case water. And if it was liquid nitrogen, we'd of course see the outside surface temperature plunge because the vapor spilling over from the liquid filling the tank, and then that would slowly return up to ambient temperature. And the reason why these 2 telemetry points are the only 2 points that any liquid nitrogen tank would ever need to not only monitor tank health but also the level is weight obviously equals weight of liquid nitrogen tank and liquid in the tank. Its system just updated. And then we also have the surface temperature and we have the ambient temperature. So as long as the surface temperature and the ambient temperature remain within 3 degrees of each other, our predictive analytics will not label your tank as having an issue. We also know that during a fill cycle, both ambient temperature and surface temperature will drop. So our system ignores that fill feature. And it's the only solution in the industry that offers this level of visibility. Our reports can not only tell you how many kilograms of weight, but we translate that over into liters for you, and we give you some really detailed, interesting predictive analytics reports for your regulatory compliancy requirements. So we'll look forward to showing you this solution at ASRM, and thanks for taking the time to watch, and hope you have a good day.